What's going on, everybody? My name is Jared, and I help people flip more homes by access to the right capital and giving you the right mindset. So in today's video, real briefly, if you hang out to the end, I'm going to show you how you can get 100% funding for your fix and flips. So this is pretty much anywhere across the country. Most states, we can give you guys access to this program. So it's an awesome program. I'm going to explain how you can use it to your advantage to get an extremely high rate of return. And for those of you who are looking to do rental properties, how you can literally buy rental properties with no money out of your pocket. No gap funding needed. So our 100% fix and flip program is going to be summarized as follows. It is, like I mentioned, good in most states. We want to see that you have a 650 FICO score. You want to have at least 3 deals done, and you want to have liquidity to your name. And if you as your individual meets that requirements, the only really requirement for the deal is we don't want to see that the purchase and renovation cost is kind of out of whack. So what I mean by that is we don't want to see like you're buying a $100,000 property and the renovation is going to be like $125,000. So we're not going to be doing any of those kind of lopsided deals. But if your deal makes sense and you meet the requirements personally, then we can literally fund up to 100% of your purchase and your renovation costs up to that 65% ARV mark. Now, what's really cool is if you are over, sorry, my finger's in the way. If you are over that 65%, we can still do the deal. Let's say you're at like a 68, a 69, a 70 LTV, etc. Only really difference is going to be you're just going to make up the difference between the 65 and whatever LTV you're at. Like so, 68%, you would just bring the difference down plus your closing costs. If you're at 65% or under, you're just really paying your points and any third-party related fees, like your normal stuff, your taxes, your insurance, what have you, closing costs, etc. So this is how you can get an extremely high rate of return, because if you're flipping it, and I mean, whatever profit you make is almost infinity because you put no money down on the property, on the project. If you're buying rental properties, that's how you can buy rental properties, the exact program that we're giving you guys to buy rental properties with no money out of your pocket. So it doesn't get too much better than that. And we've been closing these up pretty quickly, I would say right around 10 days or so. I would say 10 to 12 days, kind of depending upon how many we have in the pipeline. We can use a local appraiser, which is great, meaning we don't have to go through any third-party vendor like Appraisal Nation or any of those ones. And we can do a soft FICO pull, so it doesn't really affect your credit. And when you do have the deal come in, we get you assigned to one of our loan processors. She's really great. She works with you guys hand in hand, gets the deal and your documents in, so it closes up quickly and everything stays on track. So this is a really great method. And if you do have a deal and you want to get terms for it, I can usually get you terms the same day on it, which is awesome. So if you're watching this video on social media or perhaps YouTube, I'm going to leave a link below this video with an app that you can fill out, a quick app. It will literally probably take you maybe 60 seconds or so to fill it out with the details about your deal, purchase price, the numbers, etc. That'll come right into me. Then what I'll do is I'll reach out to you guys, just give you a quick call about your deals if there's any questions that we need kind of clarified. If not, I'll get you terms really quickly. So wherever you're watching this video, look below this and there should be that link. Just click on it, fill it out. What I'm also going to do is below this video, I'm going to leave a link to our Facebook group. So we have a Facebook group where we talk about all the other programs we also offer in that Facebook group, such as our rental programs, our new construction programs, if you're building spec homes, cash out refis, if you're looking for just better leverage. I mean, if you're looking to put money down, we have those type of programs too. So in that Facebook group, it's free to join. There's gonna be a lot of cool programs I kind of describe in there, some of the other stuff, off-market deals, things like that. So if that resonates with you and you would like to join that group, it's free. The link is also gonna be below this video. So again, my name is Jared, and I look forward to connecting with you. Have a good one, much love. Catch you on the next video. Take care.